In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to an Amazon wish list. A wish list is a simple way to keep track of things you want to buy later or to share gift ideas with friends and family. Think of it as a personal bookmark for products, so you don't have to hunt them down again. You can do this on a web browser, whether you're on a desktop computer or using your phone's browser. Start by heading to Amazon.com and signing into your account. Being signed in ensures the item goes to the right list and stays synced across your devices. If you're not signed in yet, don't worry. Amazon will prompt you to log in when you try to save something. Next, search for the item you're interested in and open its product page. The Add to List option appears on the product page, not in the search results, so make sure you've tapped into the item itself. Once you're there, look near the Add to Cart or Buy Now buttons. You'll usually see an option labeled Add to List, or a heart icon that serves the same purpose. On desktop, it's often to the right of the product details. On mobile browsers, it might sit just below the main purchase buttons or near the price. Go ahead and click or tap Add to List. If you have more than one list, Amazon will immediately ask which one you want to use. Choose your default wish list or select another list if you've set up multiple. If you only have one, it will add the item there automatically. You should see a quick confirmation, such as a small banner or a check mark, letting you know the item was successfully added to your selected list. A few helpful notes as you add items. Add to list is not the same as add to cart. You're not buying the item yet, you're simply saving it for later. Items will stay on your wish list until you remove them. Even if you purchase something, it can remain on the list unless you change the list settings to hide purchased items. Also, if the product has options like size or color, select the variation you want before adding it to your list so the exact version you prefer is saved. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open the product page, hit Add to List, choose the right list, and look for the confirmation. With these steps, you can quickly build a wish list you'll actually use, whether you're planning future purchases or sharing ideas with the people who might be shopping for you.